Welcome to Cityscoot. So you want to use one of our electric scooters as you please. Easy. With the Cityscoot mobile app, you can locate one of our scooters and book it in just 3 clicks. The app provides you with a code that is valid for 10 minutes. When you arrive at your scooter, type this code into the handlebar keypad. Release the helmet by clicking on the icon to open the boot. Push the red button to on, and you're ready to go. Once you've finished using your scooter, the light-emitting diode is always off if you're out of zone. Make sure you're within the Cityscoot zone before parking and putting the scooter on its stand in an authorized location. Store your helmet facing the rear end of the scooter, then close the boot by pressing down with your palm. Be careful not to slam it. Turn your handlebar completely to the left and push the red button to off. During the countdown, press the end button or click on Finish My Rental from the app whenever you need. Wait until the green free LED lights up. This means that your rental is finished. You will receive a confirmation text message. And if you take a break during your journey, stop, turn the handlebars to the left, and push the red button to off. Let the countdown run out and check that the handlebars are locked. To restart your scooter, simply redial the code. Have a good ride!